Our world is facing a wide range of global issues that are dynamic and complex. How to address these issues and achieve sustainable development is a crucial challenge for all human beings. Thus, the international community is in urgent need of professionals specialized in sustainable development issues. China has scored remarkable achievements in sustainable development, and China's experience can be shared with others. Are you interested in becoming an expert on sustainable development? Then you are welcome to join the MPP SDG program. The Master of Public Policy for Sustainable Development Goals, or MPP SDG, is a dual master's program instructed in English on the Agenda 2030 for Sustainable Development. It was co-established in 2018 by the School of Public Policy and Management, SPPM, Tsinghua University, and the Geneva School of Social Sciences, University of Geneva. The MPP SDG program is committed to preparing future changemakers in the field of global sustainable development by developing students' theoretical understanding and practical skills to analyze and develop concrete solutions in terms of sustainability. Lizana from the Netherlands and Victoria from Brazil registered at Tsinghua University for their first academic year in September 2018. They wanted to experience China's sustainable development in various fields and immerse themselves in Chinese society, language, and culture. They selected interesting courses from the 3 specializations: Sustainable Human Development, Standards, Governance and Sustainability, and Sustainable Cities and Territories. Tsinghua University emphasizes both the theoretical study and social practice regarding the SDGs. Lizana and Victoria observed China's sustainable development practices and achievements by participating in field trips organized by SPPM Tsinghua. They also had the opportunity to enjoy various cultural activities on campus. In their second academic year, Lizana and Victoria flew to the University of Geneva and benefited from the high-quality interdisciplinary teaching resources there. They participated in team-based and project-driven workshops and worked with senior experts to address practical issues and challenges related to the SDGs. Given the University of Geneva's strong ties to the international organizations located in the city of Geneva, they completed 3 months of internships at OHCHR and UNCTAD respectively. In their 5th semester, they completed their academic thesis under the guidance of their advisor at Tsinghua. After 2.5 years of both theoretical study and hands-on practice, they received their Master of Public Administration degree from Tsinghua University and Master of Science degree from the University of Geneva. The MPP SDG program provides students from all over the world with academic training on the fundamentals of sustainable development in all its dimensions, in parallel with cross-cultural exchanges and valuable opportunities for internships in international organizations. Upon completion of the program, a wide range of employment options are possible for MPP SDG graduates. If you have obtained a bachelor's degree, meet the English proficiency requirement, and are interested in pursuing a career in sustainable development, you are welcome to apply for the MPP SDG program.